This is the last step where we going to do the fitment detailing. Now in the fitment detailings, we are taking the first fitments from 50 millimeter from the supports based on the Australian standards that is given here on clause 8.3.2.3 on page number 125. It has clearly saying that first printed should not be more than 50 millimeter from the face of adjacent support. So first steps is easy here, that we provide 50 millimeter first fitment from support A, 50 millimeters from the support B, and 50 millimeters from the support B on the both sides. Now we also calculated 165 millimeter spacing of the stiff of the fitment. So for example, if I have a fitments here, this is 165 millimeters, that is we found here, and there are 9 fitments that we done the calculations in the previous video, where you have we have this 9 in the close to the support A. We have 9 fitment at spacing of 165 millimeters. So that is written here. So if you want to find this distance, that is 9 times 165, that is given 1485 millimeters. So this distance is 1485 millimeters. Now at support B, we also have a calculations done. So we found that that has a 23 fitments at the spacing of 93 millimeters. So in this zone we will have a 23 fitments at 90 millimeters distance. So if you want to find this distance, which is 2070 millimeters, now we know all this distance, because from this point to this point, from this middle to this middles, we know this one is a 5200 millimeters. So 5200, we can add all this one, 150 here plus 50, this one 1458 plus 2707, that is 2070 plus 50 plus 150 give us 3955. So this all the distance is 3955. So if you want to find how much distance is this, so 5200 big distance, take away 3955, it is 1245. And we know in this zone in the middles we have 326 millimeters. In this zone we have 326 millimeter is the distance. So we divide by this one, so we can say that we can provide 4 equal 4 fitments at the equal spacing. So that should be less than 326. Now remaining one is in the region BC, and again we found that in the region BC we will provide the minimum one. So we can provide 50 millimeters and the 50 millimeters from the edge. So in this distance we have it from here to here. In the question it is given 188 millimeters. So that is 188, take away 50, take away 100, we can make it 1800, take away 50, take away 100, it gives us 1650, and that we divide by 326, it gives us 5 spaces. So we provide 5 equal spaces in this region. Thank you very much. So that is the solution for this reinforced concrete beam design under Shear using AS 3600 2018. Thank you again.